some of the top design trends that you're gonna see in 2022. Hey guys, Chip Wade here and welcome to my home in Georgia. It's a new year, so I wanted to give one of our bedrooms a new look. Now you can see this room is starting out fairly middle of the road. It's actually a little bit more traditional. It's got large crown moldings, it's got cream colored carpet, even neutral walls. Today I'm gonna show you some of the top design trends that you're gonna see in 2022. I wanna make sure that this bedroom is really comfortable to sleep in, that there's plenty of storage for all the things that need to be put away, as well as having a very comfortable workstation. With the way we're using our bedrooms now, they're really so multi-purpose, so we're gonna make sure this one fits the bill. Everything in here is from HomeDepot.com. Their online store has all of the bedding essentials that you need to refresh your room for the new year. Picking the right size rug for your bedroom can be a challenge, but an easy trick is to get your bed in place. For this makeover, I put in a king size bed, but what's important is sit on the edge of the bed. Whenever you get off, you wanna make sure that your feet are touching the rug. If you don't have a rug in place already, simply get some tape, mark it on the ground on all sides, measure it, and you have your minimum size. When it comes to refreshing a bedroom, few things make as big of an impact than adding fresh new white sheets. Now I started with a base layer of white on this bed, but to make it feel truly luxurious, I layered in some texture and some colors with some beautiful blankets, some mid-tones, and some darker. This really makes the whole bedroom just feel like this is the place where you want to run in and jump and get comfy. This year, we're seeing much darker woods making a huge comeback. For the past few years, we've seen a lot of the whites and the grays and the white washed woods. Well, while those still can look good, these high, rich, darker tones, especially the walnut tones, walnuts are my favorite wood. These really help make the space feel more sophisticated, a little bit dressier, and of course, it lets you contrast it with some lighter elements like this white metal contemporary vase. It just pops right off of the top of this dresser. It looks fantastic. We all remember the accent wall craze of the early 2000s. Well, they're kind of back, but designers are now calling them feature walls. These are accent type walls with great color and great texture, but they're oftentimes removable. This could be paneling, this could be some type of wallpaper, but in this situation, we're getting even more creative. I found these really cool stenciled laser cut wooden pieces. They're actually made of walnut plywood that's really thin, and I applied them to the wall, but instead of doing them right on top of the drywall, I actually used a backer made from cork that has a contact adhesive that's just peel and stick, so you can pull it off. I painted the cork and then applied these panels right on top. It looks so cool. Bringing plants into the room is a must. I love to do a combination of faux plants, which are super low maintenance, mixed with real plants, which helps filter the air, make it smell better and healthier in the room. Using both is the best of both worlds. Don't forget to add those really intriguing wall decor pieces, maybe something over the bed or even visually across from the bed so you really can appreciate it. Even side flanking walls can be a perfect spot to bring in that warmth and texture, which just makes your personal room feel super cozy. HomeDepot.com has all of the brands that you want, including mattresses at really affordable prices. Plus they have free and flexible delivery so you can return in-store or online. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this bedroom makeover as much as I did. And I hope you're inspired to bring some of these things into your own space in 2022. We'll see you next time.